Hello viewer, welcome to Pharma Digital. Those are still not subscribed us, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And today in this video we discuss about the autocoids. And these terms are derived from the two Greek words. One is autos and another is akos. And here the autos means automatic and akos means healing material. So simply when we combine these two terms, we conclude that the materials which able to heal the inflammations automatically, that is called autocoids. But sometimes it create infection or inflammation when it release in a larger amounts. When it release as a larger amount, it sometimes create a severe allergic reaction and inflammation. But its main motto is to be when infection or inflammation occurs in a part of the body, these autocoids are released from that surrounding inflammatory cell and start the process of healing. And these autocoid are called as local hormones. Why this is called as local hormone instead of hormones? Because these autocoids are produce its action on a restricted part or on that particular part. So that's why it is called as local hormones. And its site of action is locals, means it showing its action in a particular part. जैसे कि अगर राइट गाल पे किसी मच्छर या इंसेक्ट ने काटा तो वो राइट गाल पे ही खुजली होगा, ना कि लेफ्ट गाल में, क्योंकि राइट गाल का जो मस्कीटो बाइट या इंसेक्ट बाइट के सराउंडिंग सेल में से जो है वो ऑटोकॉइड्स जो है वो रिलीज होगा और उसे हील करने की कोशिश करेगा. और तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा कि मस्कीटो बाइट करने के कुछ घंटे बाद जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली जो है वो वैनिश हो जाता है और उसका जो इरिटेशन जो है वो कम हो जाता है. लेकिन कई कभार जो है ये इरिटेशन और इन्फ्लामेशन जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है, क्योंकि हमारे बॉडी का जो एंटीबॉडीज़ है ये एंटीजन के अगेंस्ट में उतना एक्शन नहीं दिखा पाता और बॉडीगार्ड के जैसे काम नहीं कर पाता. उस टाइम हम कुछ एंटी हिस्टामिनिक ड्रग लेके ये ऑटोकॉइड्स का जो रिलीज है और उसका जो एक्शन है उसे कम कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि ज़्यादातर जो मार्केट में बहुत ज़्यादा यूज होता है लेवोसेट्रिजीन एंड सिमेटिडीन, रानिटिडीन, ये सब ड्रग जो है वो एक्सेस ऑटोकॉइड रिलीज को वो कम करता है. And it is different from the hormones because it is local hormones and it is not secreted by any specific gland. It is secreted by the inflammatory surrounding cells and it is not transported by the circulations like the other hormones are secreted from the any particular glands, and that is enter into the circulatory system and it is get circulated in all over the body, and that's why it able to get action in distance target also. But in this case, these autocoids or local hormones don't act on distance target. And these autocoids are able to alter both physiological as well as pathological process, and these two combinedly leads to a injury. Like in physiological means it able to alter the normal body's functions like stomach cramp, GIT pain sensation. And like pathological process, it means when any type of antigens like dust particles, pollen grains or any other particles enters to our body started activate the antibody. But here the antigen bound with the antibody and produce a complex, and these complex create a severe injury or inflammatory response to our. So simply normally when any type of antigen enters to our body started activate antibody and that perform as a bodyguard for that antigen. But in this case this antigen is bound with the antibody and create a complex, and that complex is cause or create injury. And it is released during allergy and hypersensitivity and inflammation. And what is the basic difference between allergy and hypersensitivity? In allergy, like some person are allergic or sensitive with some perfumes, cosmetics and any other particles which cause irritation, sneezing to that particular person. Like that hypersensitivity, excess sensible to any type of particular objects or particular perfumes, and simply in simple word allergy is considered as a sensitivity, and hypersensitivity is considered as a hyperallergic condition. Histamine are present, and this is the, and in the red color dots, this is a antigen, whether it may be pollen grains or any dust particles. When it attacks to the mast cell, it binds with the antibody and it start creating a antigen antibody complex. Then it rupture these mast cell and then started this histamine release into the inflammatory cells, and these produce and these cause the starting automatically healing process, and sometimes when it releases in excessive amount, these produce severe allergic reaction also. These autocoids, and these autocoids are classified into different categories like amine autocoids, lipid derived autocoids, peptide autocoids, and other autocoids. And these autocoids are also considered as a autocoids. In amine autocoids, histamine, serotonin is present, and serotonin is also called as 5-hydroxytryptamines. And in lipid derivative autocoids, prostaglandin, leukotrienes, platelet activating factors are present. In peptide autocoids, plasma kinin, which is also called as bradykinin, and then angiotensin, which play a major role in hypertension. Then in other autocoids categories, gastrin or cytokines, this type of autocoids are present. The main function of these autocoids are it produce allergic reaction to the body, or it activate or started automatically healing process during the allergy, and then it act as a neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter means it's able to carry out the pain sensation or inflammatory sensation to the brain. Then it also able to secrete the gastric juice in stomach. So these three are the main function of the autocoids. Like first one is it able to produce a important role in the allergic reaction of the body. It works as a neurotransmitter, and it also able to promote the gastric acid juice secretion. So here in this video, this is all about the definition of autocoids, what are its classification, and why it is called as local hormones. Hope it helps for you for the better understanding. If you have any kind of doubt, please register your comment in comment box. Have a good day. Thank you.